do a quick intro. Dude, this is so hard. It's so crazy when you're like in front of the camera. And scene. Hey guys, welcome to the first edition of Thursdays with Thorny. I'd like to introduce you to our Platinum Certified Service Department team. Let's check it out. Hey John. All right. Well, this is our collisions department. We've been running this collision side since pretty much we moved over here. Back when. If you unfortunately get into some sort of incident, you're working with insurance, you're paying out of pocket, what have you, we're the body shop that helps you get back on the road. This is our collision technician, John Ray.
How's it going?
John Ray, how long have you been with the company?
Oh, 43 years?
43 years.
Somewhere in there. You lose track of time after that. It's fun. It's a good place to work. I've always enjoyed it. It's nothing like taking an old test drive on a Harley just to get your bearings straight when you're not feeling good.
Well, there you go.
That's
all right, that does it here for our first segment of Thursdays with Thorny. See us next Thursday so we can meet the rest of the crew. Take care, ride safe, see you on the road.